And now how to go into our angel wings, or also known as butterflies. So the way you do this is that you want to make the veil, I like to walk towards the back and put some air into the veil and then pull the arms towards my heart. So the veil towards my heart. And then you want to bring the veil, your arms underneath the veil. Good. Push that again to the side. So all you're doing is, whoops. See, you always have to check if you're not stepping on your veil. All right. So you're going to go towards your heart, bring the arms towards the heart and the veil, and then scoop underneath. That takes a lot of practice when it comes to the silk. Chiffon, other veils, is not as hard, but the silk is a little bit more challenging. You can't go too hard because it might go over your head. So it'll take a lot of practice. So again, I walk into the veil a little bit, and then I walk away, and then I pull my arms towards my heart, and then scoop underneath. And there's my angel wings or butterfly. And one of the things I like to do to go out of the butterfly is I'll unwrap one side, so I'll show off my right shoulder, and usually I'll do a turn and then unveil the left, which is looks like it's my right, but then I'm going to toss the veil, which is in my other videos. You're going to toss, bring your arms, hands close together, and toss towards the back and open towards the back. That's that too. We'll do all of that together. So let's walk into the veil, just a normal walk. Walk, walk, and go away into the butterfly. Unveil the right side, which is your left, and turn. Now unveil the other shoulder and toss back. And let's just do a little turn again. And there you go. Have fun with that.